Hello, it's Elaf, and I'm super excited to be showing you how to create product videos with AI. So previously, I've shown you how to create product images, but this time we've got a new update on the platform, and I'll show you how to create videos with your products. So I'm going to be using home goods, so a basket, a framed photo, and some candles. And they're the same products that I showed you initially how to make images with in another video, which I'll link in the description box. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to animate them. So the quality of the videos are 720p and they are 8 seconds long. And you can either animate an existing image, or you can upload an input image from scratch and animate that video using your prompts to guide exactly what you want to see in the video. So if you have any feedback, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help. But for now, we're going to jump straight into it. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to create these product videos. First, I'm going to show you how to generate a product video of this basket. Here I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo or use one I've previously uploaded, which would be in my assets. Then I'm going to click the green generate product photos - videos button. Once it's in the third tab, you can see the default mode is images. So click on the video mode. Now I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, I want this exact basket with the beige throw on the floor in front of the sofa. Cozy modern living room, woman wearing a matching pajama set walks in to sit on the sofa and grabs the beige throw from the basket and click the green generate button. It's good to emphasize you want this product and any other details that you think are necessary, since some subtle details aren't always picked up. It takes a few seconds to load and then a video is created. Click play to watch. I like how this one turned out, so I'm going to save it. They don't always turn out perfect the first time given the nature of AI, but you can use it to get a general idea of how it looks and regenerate with a different prompt if necessary. Next, I'll show you how to do the same thing to get this video of this framed photo. I'm on the background remover tab like before. Select the photo in my assets or upload one to remove the background, and then send it to the AI product photos and videos tab by clicking the green button. On this tab, the default mode is images, so select video, then I'm going to type in my prompt straight away. Here I want to see this framed photo on a green wall on top of a dining table, zooming out of the photo slowly, couple eating at the dinner table, and then click generate. It takes a few seconds to load, and then the 8-second video is created. I'll watch it through. Here the guy doesn't actually pick up any food, so it doesn't look great. I'm going to regenerate it. This is the second video created. I like how it turned out, so I'm going to download it to my computer by clicking the arrow on the top right. Feel free to regenerate or edit the prompt if you want to change anything. And finally, I'll show you how to create a mini promo video for these candles. Just like before, we're starting off with the background remover tab, upload the photo or select one you've uploaded before, and then click the green generate product photos - videos button. It will get sent to the third AI product photos and videos tab, which is set to image mode on default. So click videos and then type in the prompt. In this case, these candles on top of a marble table, zooming out from the candle slowly. In the background, a woman chopping some fruit, modern kitchen, and then click generate. It takes a few seconds to load and then a video is generated. I'll click play to watch it. I quite like this one, so I'm going to download it. You can see that the AI has replicated it pretty well, and it's also done its own edits, but you can feel free to edit the video further as you like. That was the tutorial. I hope you learned exactly how to create product videos with your own product. Play around with the prompt, play around with what you want to see in it, and be as detailed as you want, give it specific instructions, and I'd love to see what you end up creating. Let me know if you have any questions like I mentioned, and until next time, I will see you soon.